Welcome back to How to Prank It Up. I'm Dennis Rohde, and today I got a surprise. A special package from GoDoPranks.com. It's a shock prank kit. That's right. I got these awesome shocks from them. I'm doing a giveaway in this video so you can get your own prank kit from them absolutely free. Check it out. So first up on this deck, my favorite one is the shock stapler. This thing is super strong and awesome because you can leave this right there on your teacher's desk, on your boss's desk. Just make sure they don't know who left it there unless you got a great relationship. I don't want you to get fired over this or suspended or expelled, but this stapler is amazing. They're gonna get it, they're gonna give it a squeeze and get shocked.
Try it.
You wanna try it first?
You try it.
Oh man. So you know, they're gonna, I gotta staple this thing here together. Ooh! Dang, see this right here, this metal piece, and this metal piece is a massive, big conductor. So the more your hand is in contact with these two pieces, the stronger the shock is going to be. So if I did one, maybe it's the same, I don't know. But that was pretty strong. I couldn't even hold on to the stapler. Don't get in trouble over it, but have lots of fun with it. Next up is a shocker you can put on your keychain for your car keys. Maybe you can say this is your garage door opener or something, right? Give it to your friend on the keychain. Hey, this is my garage door opener, open it up. Not that bad. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'm gonna say this is probably a 2. I honestly thought this would be really cool to put on your keychain. Maybe you could use it like a garage door opener, give it to your grandpa or grandma. Hey, open it up, you know, it's not so strong that it's gonna give them a heart attack that you have to worry about them going, ugh. But it's strong enough to make them go, whoa, my dentures fell out. But you know, if you wanna get your grandma or grandpa with it, that's a good one. Ooh, that was a little bit different. That one kind of burned. Yeah, I don't know. 2. I had a high potential of like an 8. Right now the stapler is winning 8 out of 10. Let's go. Now this one I'm really rooting for. This is another keychain shock toy. It goes on the keychain. It is a measuring tape. So what they're gonna do is they're gonna put this on their keychain, and whenever they need a convenient time to do a quick little measurement of something, they just have to pull on this. Oh gosh, that's a strong one. Dude, this is good. Taras will probably jump out of his shoes because he's so sensitive to electricity. Stapler, you are in second place. First place, 10 out of 10. Measuring tape, I like this one. A very good, tricky shock lock. This may beat the tape measure, just in the idea of it. But check out the shock lock. We're gonna open it up, pull out the shock lock. Ah! Dude, I can't even, I'll see how long I can hold it for. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh! Oh! Dude, this is pretty cool. I bet I can hold it longer. Ready? Counting the seconds. Ready? Oh! Oh! This is awesome. This is really cute. The shock power is not as strong as I thought, but the idea, and I bet that as many people you can get with this, and I think it'll be more powerful and more strong when they're not expecting it. Oh, let me open the lock. Ah! Shock lock, we're gonna give it a 7 out of 10. What do you guys think? If you could feel the power of it, you might give it a 5, but the idea is boosting the points. Next, a good prank to give your personal trainer at the gym, a shock gripper. So I guess the idea for this one is just give yourself a little workout. Ah! Cringe! Yeah, look. Not too bad. It's like a little tingle. Wonder if it feels different on my head. Oh! Ah! That hurt. Dang, that was like straight to my brain. Ooh, that was not good. All right, let's try it on my ear. I don't know if I want to do that. I'm gonna try it on my nose. Oh! Oh! I felt that in my tooth. I felt it straight in my mouth.
That's gonna be a new trend. Kids are gonna be shocking their heads.
Oh, dude, that is not a good idea. If you have any kind of metal in your mouth, I recommend not putting the shocker anywhere near your head. That was way unexpected. I don't know, this is unrateable. Next, we got the playing cards. It's a shock card deck. I'll give this one to Evan Era TV or Magic Murray. This is for you, man. And Rich Ferguson, they've all given me cards. I think I should send them this card deck. I guess the way you could really pull this off is you go up to someone and say, hey, you wanna see a magic trick? Yeah, I wanna magic trick. Okay, here you go. Pull a card. And then when they pull the card, oh, ho, ho, ho. I have to try this one in the public. Let me know in the comments below. If you think this is a good idea to do just on strangers, hey, I've got to show you a magic trick. Pull a card. Next, we have a lighter. Let's see if this actually lights up. Ow! Oh, this is good. And it's got a strong shock. You know, I didn't think this would be that strong of a shock, but wow. This might take the place of the measuring tape and the stapler. This is definitely the top 3. Shock you into stop smoking cigarettes or lighting things that go into your mouth. It's bad for your health. If you want to help someone stop smoking, get them the shock. Next up, some chewing gum. Oh yeah, this might be pretty good. You know, upon looking at it, I would not feel like it's very convincing, you know? I think this is probably best to do at night, like when people are really distracted. And you're just like, hey, you need some gum? Yeah, I got some gum. Here you go. And you just hand it out. They're not paying attention. Nighttime, they're gonna go up and grab it. Wow, something so small can have such a big shock. It's pretty crazy. They're gonna be like, oh, what the heck, man? All right, everyone, my top 3 favorites, the stapler, the lighter, and the tape measurer. This one's really cool. I think it's a really fun one. Very convincing. If you guys want a chance to have any of these shock pranks, all you gotta do, click the link in the description for a chance to win a prank kit from GoDoPranks.com. All right, now if you want me to go out and do any of these pranks in public, let me know in the comments below by typing in your favorite shock prank you saw. Which one of these pranks would you like to see me doing a full video on? Let me know in the comments below. Give this video a like, live inspired, shock the world. See you next time.
There goes Josh and Joe.
Go get your shoe! Go get your shoe! There you go. Woo! Shot to the head. Right about our decision. Stuck to it. Officially earned your keep, brother. Josh, you officially earned your keep. Good job.
Good job, bro. They're about to run through as a team. Steph's out. She's out. Oh, I love this game. This is awesome. You got it! Go, go, go! You got it! Yeah! Woo! Yeah, baby. Hey, man, good job, dude. Oh, shit. Oh, yeah! Good job, dude. Woo! Oh, oh, dude, this is the best. I know.
We can come back here.
Oh,
Hey, let's cross that finish line together.
oh, dude, this shit is so funny.